32, cross runway 22 right, taxi to the ramp and be Alpha.
So we are making the last landing of 630 Mike Lima on its first life. It's going in for overhaul, and we are flying to Chandler Tower. Right now we are over the Phoenix area. We're southeast of Phoenix, and we're going in. We got 7 miles to go, and it's sad. I talk to you now. Don't want to talk. This is Jeremy. He doesn't want to talk.
I'm too declamped to talk right now.
Oh,
I'm gonna miss her.
Tired. 2 days, 2-day adventure.
A grand adventure.
Washington. All kinds of weather. Rain, snow, wind. Everything.
Lots of wind.
And it is a beautiful day in the Phoenix area with a balmy 89 degrees outside in October. It's the 18th and 19th. I don't even know what day it is.
18th.
18th. It was much colder this morning at Salt Lake.
And much colder yesterday in Washington.
Yeah, it was. Nasty in Washington yesterday. And I learned how to fly at Chandler, and that's where we're going. And I have not been here for so long flying that I really honestly can't remember how to get into it. So I think I see the tower though. You see it out there? So
Yep.
like kind of around 1 o'clock.
Yep. So, 3.5 out?
Almost 5.
Oh.
So they told me to come in from the north. I'll report a mile north, so I'll figure I'd go north to the tower. Those mountains there are the Santans.
Helicopter 0 Mike Lima, there's no traffic jerk to the ramp or helicopter to the ramp or the helipad's available.
0 Mike Lima, thank you.
And 0 Mike Lima, you want either one of those?
Yeah, 0 Mike Lima will go right to the ramp in front of the hangar. It's going to be going inside the hangar, so I assume they want me pretty close to the hangar.
Roger, helicopter Mike Lima, cross midfield both runways or correction at the approach end, and at the ramp landing will be on risk, use caution.
0 Mike Lima, cross at the east end of the runways to Quantum. They said approach end, and you got to know which way they're coming in to know which one is the approach end. We're going to cross the runway to over there somewhere. I don't even see it. I guess it's over there. Oh, there it is. Okay. This freeway didn't even exist when I learned how to fly. We used to fly down this canal because their offices used to be over there.
Crazy.
The canal was the approach. Oh boy, there's nobody around. Nobody around. they teach you to land at the helipad, which is that thing there, and then hover taxi in, but once you have your own helicopter, you don't have to do that.
Power poles right ahead of us.
I see them.
No.
Go between them.
.22.
Yeah, he's probably gonna go do some work. I think that's Paul. Paul or Neil. And there we are.
We are. The recording.
Okay, that's it. We're landed, and the helicopter's going to go in the hangar and going to get fixed. And life's going to be good. That's it. Get another 12 years out of her.